What's up, guys? It's Nick from Nick's Dividends. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Monday was a great day. 5 of the 10 positions were up about 1%. They were Johnson & Johnson, VOO, Realty Income, Duke Energy, and JP Morgan. AbbVie was up about 1.2%. Procter & Gamble, Apple, and SCHD were all up about 1.55%. Microsoft had a down day after its amazing 10% rise over the last week, dropping about 2.6%. There was no negative news on it, so I expect this will just be a small pullback. Tuesday was a great day. Apple was up 1%, SCHD was up about 1.1%, VOO was up about 1.3%, JP Morgan skyrocketed about 2.6%, but unfortunately Realty Income was down about 1.1%. This is a stock I really wish I could pick more up of at its current price. Duke Energy also dropped about 2.6%, which according to the news is a result of people pulling out of the higher yield stocks and putting into bonds due to the interest rates rising. As of Tuesday, the portfolio is black by about 0.1%. I forgot to grab a picture of Wednesday, so it got lumped in with Thursday's picture. Wednesday was a rough day. The portfolio dropped about 1.75% due to the Fed raising interest rates by about a quarter point. Realty Income led the way down by about 3%, with JP Morgan in second down about 2.6%. Duke Energy, AbbVie, SCHD, and Johnson & Johnson were all down about 2%. VOO was down about 1.7%. Apple dropped about 0.9%. Microsoft was about 0.5%, and Procter & Gamble did it the best with a drop of about 0.1%. Duke Energy had another bad day on Thursday, dropping 1.5%. Apple and Microsoft had good days, with Apple rising about 0.9% and Microsoft going up about 2%. AbbVie had a good day, rising about 1% as a result of one of its latest drugs meeting goals in the phase 3 trials. JP Morgan had another bad day on Friday, dropping about 1.5%, but the overall markets had a good day. Johnson & Johnson was up about 1%, Microsoft rose about 1.15%, AbbVie was up about 1.75%, Procter & Gamble rose about 2%, and Realty Income and Duke Energy both rose about 3%. Moving on to the dividends, we received 2 this week. Duke Energy paid us $15.08, which was enough to get about 0.155 shares. Home Depot also paid about $10.45, which we received in cash due to having eliminated the position earlier in the month. I also added about $200 to the account and used this to grab 1 share of JP Morgan, 1 share of Realty Income, and 1 more share in SCHD. Looking at the dashboard, we aren't doing too bad. SCHD came through with a dividend increase, which brought us up to about $60 per month. The barrier will likely be crossed with the dividends that are coming from VOO and SCHD. The yield on cost is still lower than the dividend yield, but it is much closer than it was before. Market return is in the red, which is not really surprising. Microsoft and Apple are really doing the heavy lifting in the portfolio. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope to have you join me again next week.